Barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Before we get into this video, hit the link in the description. Go check out my merch page. I got all kinds of merch for you guys to check out. Hit me up on social media, Facebook, Instagram, NewBQ 2020, TikTok. TikTok's the one. I don't post a lot on TikTok anymore, but I try to every once in a while. Check that out though. NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. And hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Help me out, help a brother out. But today, we got something awesome for you. We are going to go back in time to when I first started my YouTube channel. One of my first videos, I did mustard burgers. And I caught all kinds of hell on the internet for mustard burgers. Basically because I was new, I didn't have a lot of different cutting boards and different things. I just used what I had and made a video. Caught all kinds of hell. The people were saying how small the patties were and all that. I was just making burgers for my family. It was a thing. I was just showing how I made it. But we're going to revisit it today. I'm going to show you how to make a mustard burger. We're going to use great big old patties, great big old buns. We're going to dress it up real nice. And I'm going to eat them. So that's all that really matters, right? So let's get into today's video. Let's get cooking. Alright, we're just going to put a little bit on each one. Now this is the honey mustard with bacon and brown sugar. So we're just going to put a little bit of that on each one of these. And this stuff here is really good. This is just a step up from regular old mustard, which is what I was going for. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and brush it on. We want to do both sides. We'll do one side and then we'll season it, and then we'll do the other side. But it doesn't have to be super thick. I've done these burgers a bunch, and they're amazing with a little bit of mustard. First flip. buns here. Toast them on up. I'm going to throw some cheese on. Cheese melting. Boom. A little cheese melter on top. Alright, we got bread off. Fall the cheese melter here. Look at that. Look at all that cheese. Nice and melty. We're going to go ahead and pull these off. Alright folks, we're going to go ahead and try to build this burger. Let's start with our patty. Ooh, got a little fingerprint, but that's okay. Who's looking anyway, right? Alright, we're going to go ahead and put our ketchup on. A couple pieces of bacon. And we'll put that one over. That one over like that. Put on some lettuce. Touch more lettuce. Just like that. And boom. Look at that. Alright, there you go. Mustard burger. Mustard burger at its finest. It's a lot better than it was before. Probably not the best I've ever done, but it does look pretty good. I'm not gonna complain. It's just a simple, easy burger. A little bit of bacon, some lettuce, some ketchup in there, and you know, there you be. As always, the internet always says, gotta taste your cooking. So here we go. That's the burger. That's good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna take another bite. Alright guys, that is it. That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to follow the link in the description. I'll put that little link tree thing down there. You can click that. You can find all my social medias. You can find my merch page. So go check out my merch page and get yourself something cool for, you know, Christmas is coming up, y'all. We all got to get some cool merch from me. You know, hand it out to your kids or something. I got kids clothes. I got zip up hoodies and regular hoodies and t-shirts and all that stuff. So go check out my merch page. Follow me on social media, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.